Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update for this COI, COI and Pond Management Program. Sorry. Okay, so I'm here to give you a quick demo and the update on this project, how far we have gone through and what is actually I'm doing in. So if you want me to make any changes, you can please go ahead for that. Okay, so we are using the same sheet, and here I have added two functionalities with two plus signs. And here you can see if you will open the first plus sign, if you can click anywhere and it will open it. So you can see you can either you can see a Japanese version where you can just read it and select whatever you want like to select on the checkboxes and put the comment or the values in the yellow cells on the right side. Or you can always click on the Maya sign and then click on the plus sign to see the English version. So both will be working on the same file. Okay, once done, currently I was testing this with some values, some random values. Let me clear everything and start fetch. So this is how it will be looking like. So I'll enter the name in this cell. Let me call it name 2. And we have a selection of the pond area and pond ID. Now you need to enter in this yellow cell, whatever the temperature is, maybe 33. And you will make selections based on your observations. And as soon as you will click on the other write comments, you will see a yellow box highlighted. So here you can type your comments like this. I'll be showing you the same demo with the mobile. So let me open the same form on mobile and show you that how you can like on this cell. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to say something in my mic so that it can type in. So these are my comments. And you can see whatever I have said, it has typed it in. Let me test on another cell. My observation for this is good. You can see my observation for this is good, and you can select the checkbox. If you will not select the checkbox, still you will see the result as working. So for example, if I'll say, okay, I want to add some salt in it, let me do it through my PC now. Okay, so I'll say, okay, the current percentage is maybe 7%. You just need to enter the 7 in here, nothing else. And how many bags to be added? Like for example, if I'll say I'll add 12 bags, each bag is of 40 pounds. So it will calculate automatically whatever the pound the calculation should be. All right, so this will be a formula which will calculate how many pounds it will become. So if each bag is of 40 pounds and 12 bags added, so it's 480 pounds. And if there is any addition in these and any other salts, let me type a random number for these 56, and I'll type in comment. I have added some pieces of X chemical. Similarly, for the repairs, if there is any observation for anything, you can type or you can speak anything in here in the mic and it will type in here. So once you are done with the selections, let me submit the form through my mobile. So I'll click here and I'm showing you the submission through my mobile just to make sure that you can see it's working on the tablet as well. So hopefully it will work for the um, iPad as well. Okay, so as you can see, I have submitted the data and all of these selections are clear except these. These should also, okay, I have disabled it, so I don't need to type in again and again. So let me show you on the database side. It has just entered this data in here. So I think I have made some selection of, yeah, you can see 12 bags of 40 pounds, 480 pounds added. Added 34 gram of potassium permanganate, added 66 gram of molten, and whatever the comment I have selected. So this will be the format, and the format for the manager will be this. So a manager can see like this. So we can create either a CSV and email to the manager, or we can create a PDF of this format. As you can see, this is showing that There are two entries on today's date. The second one is what I just made the entry, and you can see it's showing that there are two numbers. These are the timestamp at the time when the form was submitted. Okay, so this was on 10/17, and this is 20 minutes later for the pond number GA4. This one was for GA2, lady name 2, and this was the temperature, and these are the observations. So this is a summary based like a summary based chart. Obviously, manager won't like to go through each and every cell and scroll left or right or up and down. So here you can see one. This is one pond. This is whole one pond. So and he can always see the summary in here. Like for example, whatever the medication done for this, at what time it is done, and the repairs required for this. Now I have completed till this step. Now I was thinking that if you want to share the same format for the maintenance guy, so that he can track pond by pond, not the fix by fix. So if we can do it pond by pond, like if there are six fixes in one pond and two fixes in one pond, so he has to complete six um one pond completely. Whatever the fixes are there in a particular pond, 6 to 1 or whatever the number of fixes should be done, he can complete the whole pond at once. Uh, in that case, we can share this as a list to the maintenance guy, and once he is done with this, he can always select a cell like this here. Okay, completed or pending or whatever, and we can go ahead with that. But if you want to share the uh, the maintenance step by step, like in one line there will be pump stop, in the second line it will be feeder battery died, and in the third line there will be feeder broke, and the fourth line. So this is it. So I'm thinking about it. You can give me your suggestions. But I think if we can do pond by pond, I can share the same format, or no problem. I'll generate a separate if we need to share it separately. Because yes, it is possible that the maintenance guy would won't be working pond by pond, maybe the fix by fix. So we can think about that. So this is it. This is it for this demo, and you can see the it's accessible with the mobile, and just submitted the form. There are so many entries in the database, so let me make some change. So if I'll shift to older date, and then I'll go to the report format, the manager can say only today's entries. If there are older entries, he won't be able to see. So we'll be generating the report only for the today's report, and I'm going to add another function in here, or maybe a button on the yeah, I think it's good to be on the menu. So the person can click and submit the report. So as soon as he will click the submit report, this report for today's observations. Now this is on your side, that you want to submit the CSV to the manager or the PDF, or maybe the same file. So it's on you. You can let me know, and then I'll proceed accordingly. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Have a nice day ahead, and have great vacation with family. Take care. Bye.